All right, y'all, so what we have here is a Tipsy milkshake with cookies and cream ice cream. So you will need 5 scoops of cookies and cream ice cream, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of whipping cream that's frozen, 1/2 shot of vanilla almond milk or regular milk, 1 shot of cognac of your choice, and this one I use Mucow 90 proof. Then you blend it, put into a martini glass, and drizzle some chocolate syrup on top, going vertically first and then horizontally the other way to get the design. Or you can put half of the mixture in the martini glass, add the syrup, and then add the other half to get the chocolate effect in the middle of the drink. It's very scrumdiddly. And so yeah, this does definitely get you a little tipsy or buzzed. This recipe does serve 3 people. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.